Sunset views over the lake and golf course, plus location, within walking distance to the many amenities in West Bay Club. All new kitchen with new white shaker panel cabinets, quartz countertops, ceramic backsplash, stainless steel appliances, including low decibel dishwasher and a convenient charging station in cabinet. New built-in entertainment center in great room, new carpet in bedrooms and den, new light fixtures, new fans, new remote solar screens on sliders, new air conditioner, new hot water tank, and freshly painted. All upgrades done in 2019. Elevator opens into your private lobby. There is a storage unit and 2 parking spaces in the building plus a fitness room, pool and spa, community room and guest suites. West Bay offers golf memberships to a top-ranked PGA Championship golf course, a beach club on Bonita Beach West restaurant in attendance, a River Park West fishing pier, boat launch, playground, and basketball, a sports park West bocce, pickleball, and a doggy park.